Alright, so I'm gonna do this post video breakdown of the charts from the day and what we were looking for. So early today, I said I was looking for this to come up and then for us to get the drop, but it didn't happen. We just got this push like around 7, which broke this floor right here. So I'm thinking London session will be, we'll get this. This is creating a level of support right here, which it looks like it's gonna double top off, double bottom off of. And so that push will make everything else go down to get our retracement leg. So by New York, it should be probably in this area somewhere, and we'll be looking to take sales to continue with the well, not the overall trend, but with the market flow to go down. So with that being said, I'll put a level of I'll put a level of support here. This is kind of what we're working with. Current lower low. So kind of working in between this. So this could potentially come up here, but don't be fooled by this. I think it'll definitely do that and then come down. If we go to our other pairs, EU. EU pretty much stayed in this lower range. It did come down and retest this H4 zone that I drew earlier. I didn't take the trade because I didn't really like the way it was looking. But there was your break and retest, and it happened late. This is like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. So wasn't really on the charts also. So I'll be looking for this to come, since the DXY is, I think it's going up. I think this is going to come down and maybe retest right here. Or retest right here. And then get that push for New York tomorrow. For our continuation leg. But overall, I think, not really sure at the moment on this because this is so choppy. But I think it's actually going to come back down here just to retest this level of support. So I do think for London, we're going to see that drop. And New York, we're going to get that continuation leg. EJ, we actually got that push up that I was talking about earlier that I actually took. Did I take sales? Yeah, so I actually talked about this. And did it come back here? Hold on. No, it didn't. It just created this level right here. But this happened kind of later as well, so I wasn't really on the charts. Yeah, break retest. Yeah, it's a nice move. So what I'll be expecting from this is maybe it'll hit H4, where we at? Nope. It's hitting this level of broken support term resistance. So that could potentially push it down for London to maybe back right here or to one of these areas. And then for New York, we get that push to create our new high. GU, we actually got that push up and it hit it right on the dot, actually. And it came back to that area I highlighted. It actually came back to this zone. It just wasn't on the charts at noon. And then shot up, so I'll be looking for this to pull back to maybe right here, that zone again, or that trend line for London. And then we can possibly go higher to this weekly resistance level before we drop. Let's see. Or it can just come back. It can literally just do this right here. Come back to this zone. Then go right back to that zone. That's it. And not do anything else. Let's see. H1 zone right here. Yep, so I see this coming back. And then for New York session, going about right here. Maybe 600 on the dot. GJ, we got that push. I hate I missed that. I think it actually, let's see, had a lot of momentum. Got that push up around 10, 11. So if we look left, we see we have a level of resistance. Oh, it hit that level. So I think what we'll see is come back down for London and then pop back up to maybe right here. Where there's a level of broken support turn that will probably turn to resistance or hit this level. AU, actually in AU, and I think AU is gonna come to maybe it's really hard to tell AU, but just from a technical perspective, I mean, the trend line right here that it broke this level of support, but then is this a high, is this a lower high, lower low? That's the trick. But yes, I think we'll get this retrace right here. So I'm just holding this till maybe right here. And the same for NU. It's like, is this a pull? Is this a lower high to drop? And then is this a break? On the 3 hour, it looks like it. So We could probably possibly see that, right? Come back right here before going up. So I will probably get out of this trade. And you could I actually had this marked off. So if we get our new trend line going, it'd be something like that. So this can come all the way. Let's see if we can find a zone. Maybe to right here before dropping. Or it could create a zone and then drop. I don't know, we'll just have to see.